Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Geek. In today's tutorial episode, I'm going to show you how to log into Instagram with your Facebook. If you're watching us for the first time, subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Click open your web browser and type in www.instagram.com. Hit the enter on your keyboard and you'll end up in the sign-in page of Instagram. To log into Instagram with Facebook, you can click on login with Facebook right here. But if you want to sign in with your username and password, then simply enter it right here and click on the login button. Since we are logging in with Facebook in today's tutorial video, let me click on this link over here and you can see that you'll need to enter your Facebook credentials, enter your email or your phone number associated with Facebook, and on the next field, enter your password for your Facebook account. Make sure to type in the correct password every time you log in, otherwise you won't be able to log in smooth to your account. After you do that, click on the login button, but in case you don't remember your credentials, then click on forgotten account and follow the instructions to get back to your account. Click on the login button after entering the credentials, wait for a while, and just like that, you will be logged into your Instagram account with your Facebook. That is how it is done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.